Guess what we're making? Looking good? Guess what we're making? What do you reckon? I thought it might be a swing we're making, but it's not a swing, is it?
Not a swing.
But it will be entertaining. First bit's in. We'll make the front lower bit the strongest bit. I think they jumped the Chevette straight out the door. We do have a ramp. Look at that. It's done, it's finished. That's a very steep ramp as well, so that's going to be quite interesting. It's going to give a good old shove up.
Rolly polies.
Yeah, look at that. Pretty solid.
As you requested.
Yeah, I reckon that's perfect. Good angle. That'll act as a rollover ramp or a jumpy ramp. Good, let's wait for some nice weather. We'll get it in the field. I think we've got to paint it. You can spray it if you want. But that'll be fine. That's really steep the other way if you want to go the other way. Good. Well done, Morgan. Top job. Nice jumpy rollover ramp. Alright, Morgan is just going to use this as a counterweight. But hope it doesn't break loose and come forward and kill you, because that is incredibly heavy. Right, forklift wheel. You might want to make, oh, there's really a hole there actually. Use those two drain holes. Yep. Obviously put the lower side to the bottom. This side facing down.
Yep.
We'll go with that for the ramp for the minute. It's not quite up to a heavy car, but it'll do for this little one. Sounds good. That'd be perfect for a roll. Just make sure you don't go too far to the left. It's got to be right on the very edge of it. Otherwise you'll hit the gearbox and the ramp will move then. That'll be fine. Right, fun day Sunday. Don't drink too much tonight. Seatbelts, fireproof overalls, you're all good. Marvellous. That's better. There he goes. Well, get out then. How's that then, Morgan? Do you enjoy that?
Yeah, much better.
Yeah, it was a much better attempt, I think. Bit more speed next time. I think you've blown a tyre out. We'll have to change that.
That's right.
Oh, his headlight fell out. Your headlight fell out, Morgan.
Huh?
Your headlight fell out. Oh, yes. Oh, brilliant. That was perfect, Morgan. Exactly right. You got it now. You got it sussed.